Welcome back to Car Info. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Camaro Z28. This iconic muscle car has been reimagined with a blend of modern performance and classic design. Let's take a closer look. Exterior design. Shots of the Camaro Z28 from various angles, highlighting its aggressive stance, muscular lines, and aerodynamic features. The 2025 Z28's exterior is a testament to Chevrolet's design prowess. The low-slung body, aggressive hood vents, and sharp edges exude a sense of power and purpose. The specific color paint job adds a touch of sophistication. Footage of the Z28 accelerating on a straight track, cornering at high speeds, and performing burnouts. Under the hood, the Z28 is equipped with engine specifications, for example, 6.2-liter V8. This engine delivers a staggering power output, horsepower and torque output, pound-feet of torque. Paired with a transmission type, the Z28 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in seconds. The specific suspension setup ensures precise handling and exceptional cornering capabilities. Interior design. Shots of a Z28's interior, focusing on the materials, technology, and seating. Step inside the Z28, and you'll find a luxurious and sporty cabin. The specific materials, for example, leather, Alcantara, seats offer excellent support and comfort. The technology features, for example, touchscreen infotainment system, digital gauge cluster, provide all the necessary information and entertainment. The overall ambience is one of performance and refinement. A final montage of the Z28 driving on a scenic road, showcasing its overall appeal. The 2025 Camaro Z28 is a true automotive masterpiece. Its combination of aggressive styling, exhilarating performance, and luxurious interior makes it a standout choice for muscle car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive content. Incorporate engine sounds, tire squeals, and other relevant audio to enhance the viewing experience. If applicable, compare the Z28 to other similar muscle cars or sports cars. Consider interviewing a Z28 owner to get their personal perspective on the vehicle. By following this script and incorporating these tips, you can create a compelling YouTube video that showcases the 2025 Camaro Z28's exterior, performance, and interior in a visually appealing and informative way.